I don't understand why new clubs in my hands makes my heartbeat race. I can't help myself, new clubs just might help. I'm such a hopeless case, but it's such a thrill, almost mystical. I hope they help me get off the tee.
Oh, what's clubs got to do with it? New clubs just can't fix a bad swing motion. What's clubs got to do with it? Who needs new clubs when your golf swing is broken?
I walk to the tee with new clubs to help me. I've got confidence. I hope I play well, or I may have to sell these new clubs again. I hope that I play good with these new clubs. I should, but how